When it comes to including hobbies and interests on a CV, relevance is key. A well-crafted CV showcases your professional skills and experiences, but including hobbies and interests can add an extra touch of personality and set you apart from the competition. In this video, we'll give you some tips on how to add hobbies and interests with practical examples. Subscribe to CVMaker today and improve your CV with the latest tips and advice to stay ahead of the competition. What are hobbies and interests? Simply put, hobbies and interests are the activities we engage in during our free time. They could be anything from sports to playing an instrument or staying up to date with the latest technology trends. For an extensive list of hobbies and interests, refer to our CV example pages for more inspiration. First and foremost, the best choices for a CV are those that are relevant and aligned with the job you're applying for. For example, if you're pursuing a marketing role, mentioning your passion for social media management or content creation can demonstrate your skills and enthusiasm in that field. Focus on hobbies that showcase transferable skills. Take time to identify the applicable skills across different roles or industries. Different hobbies and interest examples from a CV could include team sports that can highlight your ability to work collaboratively, creative hobbies like painting or playing a musical instrument that can signify your attention to detail and dedication. But what about including personal interests that might not seem directly related to the job? Well, it's all about striking a balance. If you have unique hobbies or interests that demonstrate your well-roundedness or reflect your personality, it can create a memorable impression on the hiring manager. Take a closer look at your hobbies and interests to see if they align with any specific skills or traits in the job description. Add these to your CV to show you are the right fit for the role and grab the attention of the potential employers. For example, if you want to become a lawyer, then you can highlight your passion for public speaking or learning languages and how you honed these skills in your previous experience. If you have enough room on your CV or have little to no work experience, go beyond just listing activities and provide specific examples or achievements. This can further illustrate how you've successfully applied your transferable skills in different contexts. Even better, add some numbers to your examples where possible. Where to mention hobbies and interests on a CV? Consider placing this extra information under additional experience. Include this section to enhance your skills and experience, but to not overshadow other essential CV sections. Examples of hobbies and interests for different job types. Select a few key activities that best highlight your skills and align with the job you're applying for. Hobbies and interests for an architect CV could include sketching and drawing, traveling and exploring, or graphical modeling. Popular hobbies for student CV that can help with your job search include blogging, photography, or volunteering. Including hobbies and interests on your CV can provide a glimpse into your personality, showcase relevant skills, and make you a more well-rounded candidate. Just remember to choose wisely, keep it concise, and tailor them to the job you're applying for. Remember, while it's important to showcase your personality, ensure that they are professional and appropriate for a CV. We hope this video has given you some valuable insights into leveraging what hobbies and interests to put on a CV. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest career tips.